How to add Amazon Chase card to mobile wallet, Apple or Google. Hey everybody, if you guys are wondering how in today's video we will be guiding you through that step by step. First of all, first step is you need to open up the Chase application and sign in into your Chase account, and once you are there, you will be finding this interface. Now you may just navigate to the card that you want to add. You can head over to any of the card, your banking card, your credit card, debit card, your Amazon Chase card. Tap on it. And once you tap on it, it will open up like this. Now from here, you can look out for the card details and look out for this option called manage account and tap on it. After that, you will be finding different tools and services within. So here you need to look out for the option called digital wallets within the given options and tap on it. Once you tap on it here, you will be finding available digital wallets. The one we are looking for are Apple Pay and Google Pay. You may just go ahead and click on one of them. For example, Apple Pay, tap on it. And once you tap on it here, it will show you all the associated card with your Chase banking application. You may look out for your Amazon Chase card and tap on add to Apple Pay for that and tap on it. Once you do so here, it will show you your card number, etc. You can just go ahead and tap on it. After that, tap on next at the top. And once you do that, you may just go ahead and agree to the terms and conditions that you would like to add Amazon Chase card to mobile wallet. Tap on next, agree. And once that is done, here you will be finding a text message. You need to verify your card, so you can just go ahead and tap on next. After that, verify by entering up the verification code that you will be receiving on your screen on your device. And once you enter it up, tap on next at the top right corner again and complete the verification. And there you go. Now the Amazon Chase card has been added to your mobile wallet. And that's it. You may also follow up the same process if you would like to add Amazon Chase card to mobile wallets. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will be seeing you in another video.